It's snowing like you wouldn't believe out there. It's like a blizzard. Well, they said a winter storm warning. It's supposed to be like 13 inches of snow out there. Yet right inside, mid-December, see? That's that cherry tomato plant I was talking about. It's hard to see because I don't have any lights on. Ooh, that's better. Kind of cool. Oh, remember that uh, garlic I was talking about? You can barely see it. This is it. I've been chopping it down uh, about, oh, I don't know, once every few days. I just chop the greens down and I dice them up and put them into foods that I make, and I have this, and it gives a great garlic flavor. I planted another one down here too, but it'll grow a bulb, a regular garlic bulb like you see in the store eventually. But in the meantime, I can eat the green part of it. And then I was cooking and I was using celery seed in something. I thought, I wonder if I can grow this. So check this out. Can you see it? I sprinkled celery seed in here too. Yeah, I got my own salad growing in the window. So, well, I know this isn't going to grow into celery plants, but I figure if it grows a few inches tall, I can pick them and throw them in something. It'll be celery flavored sprouts. Winter tomatoes. It smells really cool. Yeah, so even with the winter blowing like crazy out there in the snow, I managed to get these. My chickens won't stop laying eggs. But anyway, yeah, I get about 5 to 8 eggs a day, and I have about 11 hens. So I'm doing pretty good. As long as I get out there by 10 a.m., I mean, it's like right now it's about 0 to 1 or 2 below or something like that out there. But as long as I get out there by 10 a.m., they're laying constantly. So one hen's on the nest, and another hen's on the nest, so the eggs don't get cold. If I get out there by around 10 a.m., they're still just finishing up laying, so I can get the eggs before they get cold. If you get out there any later, the eggs will be frozen and cracked, and you can't use them. Okay, so, yeah, check this out. This is how many eggs I have in my fridge right now. Eggs will keep, for weeks in your fridge. Fresh eggs, not the ones from the store. Those aren't fresh. But, yeah, I got all different color ones. I got, like, pink ones, blue ones. I have no idea what color that is. Large ones, small ones. But, yeah, we eat a lot of eggs around here. And what I do is I take the excess and I boil them off. Like, I only keep about 18 of them on hand. And then the rest of these, later today, what I'm going to do is boil them. And then what I do is I take them, boil them. I don't even peel them. Once they're boiled, I let them cool, and then I just crush them up really small, so the shells are really, really small. And I feed them back to the birds because it's a good source of protein. They don't know that they're eating eggs, but it's a good source of protein and calcium because the shells have a lot of calcium. So it helps them build more shells and stuff and keeps their bones healthy. And some of them I give to the dogs. I break them up and throw them in their dog food. They love these things. Plus it's extra energy because they're outdoor dogs, and it keeps them warm. So yeah, nothing goes to waste around here. I just wanted to show you, even in wintertime. So here's a shot out the kitchen window. It is wintertime. You still have eggs where I live. They just won't stop.